we're going to make an origami bear, and this is what it's going to look like. A little cute panda bear. It's a panda, just a bear. So first, you get the top, you fold it all the way to the bottom. And then you straighten it out like with your finger. And then you get the top, you fold it all the way up like that, like our dog, but a bit too big mouth. And you unfold it. You see this line here? You fold it all the way up here. And then after, you get this part, the edge, and then you fold it across the line like that. Not all the way across because it's gonna be a bit too much thin. Go like halfway, I think. It's okay. Then you do the same with the other side. It should be looking like that. And then you get the top. No, hang on. Yeah. You fold it to the bottom like that. No, I think I missed a step, actually. You fold this up like that. Fold this up like that. Like up. Like this part. Like the first on the top, you fold it up like that. And then the next one. And then you do this part. And then after you flip it over, like that. It should be looking like this. There has to be a point. This is my favorite part. So you know this part in the middle here. You fold this part down, and then it has to be looking like this. No more points like that. So it will be like that part, like inside here. And you do the same with the other side as well as that one. Oh no. And then you get the top. You know this part here, you should make it as big as you can. Not as big as that. That's the face. You don't want to mess all over your face. Like that. Like, you have to like do it halfway like that. There's a line here. So you fold like you should make it as big as you can, like this big. Then you fold it down because it has to be big, so you don't have to like make it, because there's going to be another part. And then you fold it like halfway, not touching the line, so it can look like this, not too flat. It has to be like this. You're done with your bear. But you have to draw the eyes and nose and the ears. I can show you how I draw mine. It's very, very simple. So you get your marker, you do one little mountain, a little cap, but with no like shading part, yeah. And then just same with like a big upside down U colored in, like that. And then you do some eyes really close to the mouth and nose. Don't do the mouth like in here, because that's where the nose is and mouth. So you do one little dot like that. No, actually just like, not like. You have to do then one little curve, like one J. And the other J. And there you go, you're done. Don't forget to feed your bear or a panda bear. Bye.